In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a passkey on your Google account step by step, start to finish. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Step 1, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. Next, on the left-hand side, click on Security and Sign In. This is where all of your sign-in and authentication options will live. You now want to scroll down to the section here that says how you sign in to Google. And then at the bottom of this section, you can see an option that says passkeys and security keys. Just click into that option there. It'll then ask you to log into your account once more. Once you've done that, you'll go ahead and see a prompt that says create a passkey on this device. So we'll go ahead and go to create passkey, or you can see this option here that says plus create a passkey. And then it says create a passkey for your Google account. That's the one we want to do. Hit create passkey. If you're on an Apple device, you may see a pop-up from the native passwords app that'll ask you to store this passkey. You can decide whether or not you want that to store it or not. As you can see, a passkey has been created, and now you can use your fingerprint, face, or screen lock, or a security key to verify that it's you. Once you've created the passkey, you'll see an option to try it out if you want here. Then you'll see an option that shows your list of passkeys that you've created here at the bottom of the screen. You can hit the pencil icon to rename the passkey for your specific device, or you can just hit the X to completely remove and delete that passkey if you found that it's not helpful for you. Once you're done, you just leave the browser that you're in now, and next time you need to log in, you'll have the option to utilize that passkey to log into your Google account. I will put some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment down below, as well as problems that you might run into. Don't forget to subscribe if this helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video.